Welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, my name is Jana, and I'm all about cooking, traveling full-time in my 11-foot truck camper. So today is day 6 of Spend $50 and Eat for a Week series that I'm doing, and today is day 6. So we're almost there. We have one more day. So today for breakfast we're making migas. And for dinner, we're making a beef and cabbage stir fry. If you saw that video that I did on the beef and cabbage, this one's a little different. It's a little bit more, it's got soy sauce in it, so it's a little bit more Chinese. It's a stir fry. And I added rice. So here's the video. And let's grate some more cheese. I should have just grated it all to begin with. Shani says, I want cheese. Best part of her day is me cooking, isn't it? Yeah? Is that the best part of your day is when I cook? Yeah. Not sure how many tortillas. I say that one. There is a video of Deborah cooking migas, and this is her. I'm going to try to reproduce what she did, but I'll link a video, or I'll link it up top. Up there. I don't have the serrano peppers that she used, but I had the leftover jalapeno. That's about all I had left of it. Got the tortillas a little smaller, kind of in chips. And fry these up. I want them crispy. I had one tomato left, so I'm going to use this tomato and cut up some onion. What did I do with the onion? And I'll find my onion. Oh, and the onion. And start cooking those. Got 4 eggs left. I'm going to use 3. Don't know what I'm going to use that lone 1 egg for, but we'll see. I got some tomato paste left over, so I put a little bit of that in there, add a little bit of water. Stir, stir, stir. I added the egg, add a little bit of cheese here in a minute, then I'll add the corn tortillas. Alright, here's my version of migas.
This is your first time to make it?
Well, like this. I made it without crisping up the tortillas, but I like them crispy.
Yeah, it's I like it crispy too. Alright, here we go.
It's hot. Good. Should be watching the camera and not. And then here's the jalapenos if you want jalapenos. I took them out.
Oh, it's so good.
Mmm.
Good. Good.
It is good. I love the crispiness of the tortillas. And
you used a tomato paste.
And a tomato.
Upscale from my cooking.
1 tomato and some tomato paste.
Lovely. How many eggs?
3.
Oh.
I don't know if we'll have leftovers, but we have this right now.
You won't.
Okay, we won't have leftovers. Okay, tonight we're having sauteed, it's called sauteed beef and cabbage, which I cooked a version of this a few weeks ago. You might have seen that video. But tonight I'm adding rice. So I'm going to use the leftover turkey. And I'm going to use this little bitty onion, cabbage, rice, and I'm only gonna kind of modifying it some because I don't want 2 cups of rice with just this half a pound of turkey. So I'm gonna do 1 cup of rice. It's very windy here. You can probably hear it. And how many times have you seen me cut an onion? It's a little bitty onion. Onions, cabbage. Add the half pound turkey. Here is the spice lineup. Okay, I added the cabbage. Let that cook down, then I'll add the rice. Okay, I'm gonna call that done. And I didn't use all the rice. I thought it had enough. The proportions were just right. So I'll use the rice for, I have 1 egg left. I might have egg and rice and toast. I haven't decided. But it's time to eat. It is really good. I like it with the rice in it. Yeah, I think the rice gives it a little, binds it together more, I guess. It's hot though. It is good. We have 1 more day. And tomorrow's meal is going to be vegan since I used all the turkey and I think it was the bell pepper recipe that I sure didn't need to use. But that's all right. It's just going to be a vegan. I think it's all vegan. Well, we're going to add cheese, so it'll be vegan until we add the cheese. All right, I'm getting up here. Okay, that's what we have left over. I know, it's time, Sammy says. So I have this much rice left over. And that's a lot too. That's another, at least a day. Could be 2. So I've got to cook that other... I've got to cook that other meal tomorrow, so this is probably going in the freezer with the rest of those. Stay tuned for the end of this series, because I'm going to pull everything out of the freezer, show you what I have left over that's in the freezer, and what's left over, just the ingredients that I have left over. So stay tuned for that video.